In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions in a Google Drive shared drive and create subfolders in Google Drive. By the end, you'll be confident assigning the right access levels and organizing your files in a clean, scalable structure. Start by opening a web browser and going to drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you're not already. In the left sidebar, click Shared Drives, then open the shared drive you want to manage. At the top of the page, click the small down arrow next to the shared drive name and choose Share. This opens the People with Access panel, where all permission changes happen. To add someone new, click Add People, type their email address carefully, and select a role. The roles are Viewer, Commenter, Contributor, Content Manager, and Manager. Viewers can see files, commenters can add comments without editing, contributors can add and edit files, content managers can organize, move, and manage content, and managers have full control, including changing settings and membership. A good rule of thumb is to give the least access needed for the job and reserve manager for trusted administrators. When you're ready, confirm the invite. To modify someone's access, find their name in the list and use the drop-down next to their email to switch roles. This is useful when responsibilities change, like moving someone from viewer to contributor. To remove someone entirely, open the same drop-down and select Remove Access. Keep in mind that removing a member will revoke their access to files and folders within that shared drive. When your updates are complete, click Done to save and close. Now let's create a clear folder structure. Open the shared drive or the specific folder where you want a subfolder. Click the plus New button on the left sidebar, then select Folder. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name, and click Create. Open any folder and repeat the same steps to create subfolders inside it. This nesting helps keep projects, teams, or time periods neatly separated. Consider a consistent naming convention, so colleagues know where to put files, and remember that in shared drives, permissions generally flow down to subfolders unless specifically adjusted at a later time. That's how you manage shared drive permissions and create subfolders in Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.